Mastering JavaScript, Conditional Statements and Loops Explained, Code Along Tutorial. Welcome to another episode of Mastering JavaScript, where we delve deep into the world of programming. In today's episode, we'll demystify conditional statements and loops, fundamental concepts for any JavaScript developer. So, grab your coding gear, and let's dive in. Before we jump into coding, let's quickly recap what conditional statements and loops are all about. Conditional statements allow us to make decisions in our code. The most common type is the if statement. It evaluates a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. Let's see it in action. Suppose we want to check if a number is greater than 10. Here's how we do it in JavaScript. But what if the condition isn't met? That's where else if and else statements come into play. They provide alternative paths for our code execution. Let's enhance our previous example. If the number is not greater than 10, we'll check if it's less than 10. Now, let's talk about loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly. We have different types, but the most common ones are while and for loops. Let's start with the while loop. It repeats a block of code while a specified condition is true. Next up, the for loop. It's a bit more compact and allows us to initialize variables and specify iteration steps all in one line. And there you have it. Conditional statements and loops are powerful tools in JavaScript that can help you write more dynamic and efficient code. Practice them, experiment with different scenarios, and soon you'll be a master of control flow in JavaScript. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Connect with us on social media for updates and additional resources. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more JavaScript goodness. Happy coding!